I'm sitting here in this new 2017 Toyota Highlander. I'm trying to surprise Ozzy with it as a gift for all the amazing things she's done for our family to get us where we are today. I haven't slept probably 48 hours. I got an hour, and trying to do this without her knowing. Hopefully it'll be an awesome surprise. It's 4 o'clock. Been here since 12. And yeah, still in the credit process, but it'll all be worth it to see her face. I'm in the finance office now, waiting for the guy to come back and try and talk me into buying stuff. Car was taken out to get detailed. Getting there, almost there. Well, it's confirmed. We own a new Highlander. I can't wait to get it home. Hopefully I can get it home before you get home. 4:45 now. Let's see. Just drove off the lot, headed home for the final reveal. And I know you're calling me right now and I'm not answering. You're probably wondering why, but you'll see. Alright, so here we go, the big moment.
Big trickster. I want to see in the back. Daddy, you're in trouble. Daddy, this was a good lie.
It worked?
It worked. I was really mad for a second about the Capital One car.
Yeah, you deserve it. You earned every second of it.
Thanks, babe. You want to go in the car? Mommy's new car? Our new car? Whoa. Can you stop videoing me?
You can even sit in the back.
He's been asking for a car that he could sit all the way in the back with his brother with.
Is that what you like, Lawrence?
Yeah. And who's gonna sit here?
Evan, say wow.
Oh.
Evan, you want to go in the back?
Evan, say awesome.
Awesome.
Come.
I'm in here by stepping from
Want to go
here.
see Lawrence?
Congratulations, honey.
No.